Hi, John here. In this video I will show you how to find 7-figure winning dropshipping product using YouTube. And I will also show you a couple of key channels that you can use for inspiration and some specific products. But first, thank you for watching my videos, and if you'd like to see more, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and also if you have some interesting ideas about future videos, definitely comment below. So basically I will first show you a couple of key channels that I used in the past, to find these winning products, right? Because most of the products that I found, they came from like as seen on TV products, and actually what is great on YouTube that you can find tons of different like as seen on TV channels, and some of them are like really old, and it's awesome because most of my dropshipping products actually are not really like some new gadgets or like some new trends or whatever. I'm taking like super old products from the past and relaunching them in the present, right? Usually when I'm relaunching something, I'm very small percentage of like advertisers that are trying to run this product. That's actually why YouTube is great, because you can really like dig in the past, to like 2007 and 2006 videos, and find these products that are almost like dead, and forgotten, and take them back and make money. So let's start with first channel, and that's classic as seen on TV channel. Basically with this channel you can like search from the top to the bottom, right, and check all these like videos, and I guarantee you will find there like something to test, right? Because usually as seen on TV products are not really like loser products, right? They're all like winning, okay? At some point there was like some winner, okay? I'm guaranteeing you that every of these products will have like some marketer run them and make tons of money on them. So let me give you here example, Carcane. This is one of these products that actually like worked, for years, and this is like 2015, but I guarantee you it's like a lot older than that. So you can like take these products, and take them back on market, and you will be able to find a lot of like AliExpress suppliers for this, and you can even go on Amazon and see that there are like tons of reviews, so that product is actually legit, it works, and it will not kill your customer feedback score. See, like here is like million variations of this product that basically you can use, right? And I think this one is the original one. I mean, original one, right? Who knows who was like original inventor of this product. And well, you can see like tons of people, tons of images, and most of these are like 5 stars. I usually also like check those 3-star and 2-star reviews are like most accurate, because people will really like try to pinpoint those like usual problems of the product. So it's actually a good idea to check these, before you will start selling it. Well, I will show you one that will definitely kill your customer feedback score, and it's this one. 5-second fix. This product is dangerous. I don't mean dangerous to customers, it's dangerous to you. That customer who use it kind of needs to be like handy and not really like slower. And if they are not really like good with things, they will probably like not be able to fix shit, and because of that, then they will say that your product is bad, it's your fault, they will want refund. In most cases they will give you bad customer feedback score, and that will kill your page, because this product will be a quality problem, right? So I definitely suggest to not do anything that has something to do with like fixing. I don't mean like when you are selling like some tools, like a hammer or something. I mean, that's like obvious, okay? But these things, with like glue or something like that, okay? Because people tends to not use it correctly and fail. Okay, let's just check another channel, and this one will be as seen on TV chat.com channel. And well, this one is also like super long, probably even more older than that previous one, and it's like 7 years, 8 years, nice, 11 years. This is great because here you can really like dig like super old products and then take them back on market. Let's check these glasses. This is like one of those day HD glasses. Basically it's normal glasses with HD next to it, and well, people were crazy about it a lot, also about that another version with like yellow glass, and well, again, this is just like so easy to source, and again, like marketers already like stopped selling it mostly, you know. And if you will go on Amazon, it's actually a good idea to go always on Amazon, because if you see these products that are selling actively on Amazon, you know it's actually like a good product, you know, and you can still selling it, you know, because if they are selling it like passively, you know, and they are still making money, you can then take money and basically invest it on Facebook and again earn this product. See, and here basically we are finding like tons of these glasses, right? So you can just like search and search and search, and you will be able to find also like a million different variations on AliExpress, okay? And again, you know, like 7-year-old product, right? And maybe it's even like older, you know, maybe just this channel is just only 11 years old. Maybe it's like a lot older. Here is another one. There are like million versions of different like full HD dash cams. They are super cheap and well, they work, right? And tons of people have cars, you know, and especially like older people. So you can take like one of these like older dash cams, you know, and just bring them back to market, you know. And there's like so much content online about these dash cams, you know. You can even like create videos, you know, mix them with some like light car crashes, because well, if you do like some hardcore car crashes, Facebook will shut you down. I had before like one of those car products, and again I also like started car crashes at the beginning of video, and some of these car crashes were a little bit like more hardcore for Facebook. And well, mostly when you take, for example, those like Russian car crashes from YouTube, you know, and use them in videos, you know, so they are like, you know, like light ones, you know. So Facebook really like didn't like it, and they shut down a couple of videos, but some of them like make it, you know. So that's actually a good product, right? Because you can basically take a lot of these like safety car products and mix them with like scenes from car crashes, and it will kind of like resonate in people, and then it will give them a solution in that product. So these products are actually great. Okay, let's move to another channel, TV items, and let's see how old is this one. Okay, it's just only 5 years old. Okay, so here is a product that actually was forgotten for a couple of years, and recently somebody relaunched it probably, and it started working again, right? It's that purse pouch. Basically, it's just like it's for car, right? You will basically put some like a net, you know, between driver and passenger seat, where that woman will like throw her bag, you know. People didn't like use it for a couple of years, and recently, like a couple of months ago, somebody started selling it hard, you know. Then many of other dropshippers and like different marketers, you know, catch up on it, and now everybody is like selling it. You probably already also like saw that product. And basically again, like somebody took a product that was forgotten and then take it back to market, you know, and start selling again, and it worked. What I mean here is that it's not necessary to like find new products, you know, and try to like reinvent wheel. Basically you can like recycle that wheel, you know, and use products that already were basically created, you know, by other people who are no longer in business, you know. Well, you can find like a lot of suppliers on AliExpress, on Amazon, you know, and start selling it. Okay, so another YouTube channel, official as seen on TV 1. And let's see how old is this one. I mean, if you will go through all these videos, you know, like your head will explode. Okay, so here is one product that is interesting, and it's the trunk caddy. It's good because first, it's not like from hard materials, right? So it's like super small, you know, when you will like pack it, and that means it will also like be easy to send, you know, because well, it's like super light. Well, it looks big, but it's light to send, so it will be cheap, you know, to send from China, you know, source it. There is not really like much what can go wrong with it, you know, and I don't think anybody's like selling it right now, you know. Again, this is like one of the like, forgotten products. I mean, like internet is full of products that were like once like super popular, you know, and then people burn them and stop selling them, you know. After those couple of years, it's just like a lot easier, you know, to take them and start selling them again, you know, because now basically they are fresh, you know, and nobody is using them. Okay, let's use another channel, this one. Here, Easy Moves. 9 years old and it still works. Basically, it's like those couple of little, you know, like things that you will put under your furniture so you can move with them. Actually, right now there are like better versions on it with like small wheels, you know, so you can really like move things around. But well, you can see that It started like 9 years ago. I think with that version with like those wheels, it's like 7 years old, you know. And again, you can just go on Amazon, you know, and you will see that people are still selling it, you know. And here's that version with wheels. Product that is like super old, and you can just get this idea, you know, like very fast from like one of these channels. Okay, as seen on TV and beyond. Here's one of those like products that is interesting, that solar power torchlight. So this is the one that you need to actually put on your house. It's also like interesting because it's not so difficult to source on AliExpress, and it like works when like somebody is like coming next to it, you know. So it's like sensor, it's like super great light, you know, and it's solar. So basically people can just put it on their walls and forget about it, which is awesome, right? And well, again, yeah, you can just take this, you know, and launch it, you know, because these products will basically live forever. Again, you know, it's like solar, which is great, you know, which means that you can actually like put a high price on it, you know, because it's like special, you know, because it's solar. Okay, let's check another one. See, 9 years old product that almost like everybody already sold, you know. It's that draft door thing. Basically, you will just put these like things, you know, under your door. And I think it's like Immortal product, you know, because this is like problem that people have like this year, last year, you know, 20 years ago. You can sell this like all year long, because basically in summer you can say that it will protect you from like warm air, you know, when you have air conditioning, and in winter you will say that it will protect you from cold air, you know, when you trying to like warm that place. Or if they are like living in some like a little bit like more dirty place, you can tell them that this thing will stop like all these like cockroaches and things like that, you know. So again, this is like product you can like market in multiple ways, you know. You can run it like, doesn't matter what year it is, you know. If you will make it run, it's possible that it will just run and run, you know. It doesn't matter what season is. This is like a UK version of As Seen on TV. With JML, you will find like all these like really like best As Seen on TV, you know, products that they decided basically to move, you know, from USA to UK, right? And it's all channels, so you can find a lot of inspiration here. Let's do Hutton Miller. I think Hutton Miller is like one of those like main producers of these like As Seen on TV products, right? So Hutton Miller is creating like all these gadget nightmares. Another channel that is similar like Hutton Miller is All Star Innovations. This is like one of those producers of these like As Seen on TV gadgets. I think they are even bigger than Hutton Miller, because All Star Innovations really like created everything, you know. They even like created easy moves that I basically showed you a couple of minutes ago. This is like one of these birthplaces of all these gadgets and As Seen on TV products. So definitely study All Star Innovation. Then you can check, for example, Telebrands, and again, they don't have like so many of them, but some of these products are actually like great, you know. For example, that Insta bulb, it's interesting because it's basically the bulb that you can just like stick somewhere and then it works, you know, and you can stick it anywhere. This is an interesting product, and again, nobody's selling it anymore, so you can be first one. After a couple of years, we'll like take it back. Here's that shed pile that almost like everybody sold in last years. I think it's a suicide because that thing doesn't really work, so when people will start using it with their pets, it will not really like work properly, because that thing doesn't have the power, you know, to work properly, you know, with those pets. Another example of like products of like dropshippers, then definitely like check Higo Shop, you know, because these people create their own videos for like their products. So you can see, for example, here that if you will like take some time, you know, and like iPhone, and maybe create like some good story, you can create your own video, you know, for almost like any product. Higo is really like great example of people who decided to create their own content for these products constantly, you know, because these people are like old, you know, like you can see that I'm scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, right? So definitely like Higo store, Higo shop is like great example, you know, and like great inspiration. So definitely like check Higo shop. So thank you very much for watching the video. And well, if you are still on inflation, then definitely join inflation. And if you recently got flagged, then definitely download my free Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. You know, I've wrote this ebook to help you out of that Facebook circle of hell. So if you got flagged, if you got your advertising access restricted, then definitely download that book. It's free and it will help you out. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.